Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can fix PrizePicks withdrawal fail or not working issue. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you're going to be doing right over here is that PrizePicks itself has given quite of reasons why it will be failing, or giving you the reason of, or giving you the error of it not working, or basically it not functioning over there. So there can be many reasons. One would be simply PrizePicks having a playthrough requirement, which means you need to play through all deposited funds once before withdrawing them. For example, if you deposit $25, you must submit and play through $25 worth of lineups before you can withdraw. You can see lineup must be submitted using credit funds. If you're using promo funds, then that could be the reason why your withdrawal request is failing. Next is an inaccurate bank statement. Bank account information can also cause it, because you need to have correct information for withdrawal to go through. Next is withdrawal can only be made using an approved payment method that you previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. For example, Apple Pay, credit cards, and Discover debit cards may only be used for deposit, not withdrawal. So if you're trying withdrawals from those options, you cannot. So that can be the reason as well. So make sure to check the limit as well. So withdrawal have minimum amount of $10. Any small request will automatically fail. So that those are the reasons. So make sure to avoid them, and your withdrawal will be successfully through. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.